Hi, everybody. This is Miss Sanchez. I wanted to review with you the Screencast-O-Matic. I did put this link in your final exam handout. So when you do a video in presenting your final product, you can use this particular program to film yourself. Okay, you open it up, you click on this little launch recorder in the bottom. See down here, you'll get a little red button that says record. You click on it, and then you get these little lines, and it's recording everything that's in your computer. So when you are ready to do your video, when you are going to present your information, all you have to do is go to your window, see where you have your information. I used Prezi to put my information in, and this is kind of like PowerPoint. It's online, it's free. You go in and you make your account. Remember to use your school email. You can say log in with Google. It'll give you a school email. And then here you can say Prezi Design. You click on that. They have different templates, just like PowerPoint, and you fill them in. So I went ahead and clicked a template, and I put my information together. So you can click on Present, okay? And I put all my information, I copied all my information into this presentation, okay? So I went ahead and I put the questions in here. So I clicked on this, I put the question, and then I put my answer. I put the pictures. So all you would have to, what I would like you to present is, I would like you to present your information. I would just like you to not read the question, but I would like you to introduce your project, and I would like you to show your slides, and I would like you to read your answer. Okay, so here you would say, in my opinion, relationships are very important for teenagers because teen years can be very challenging. So you would do that for your 3 questions. So you would have 4 altogether. At the end, your essential question. Here, I would like you to read your essential question, and I would like you to read your paragraph. I'm going to be listening to how you pronounce your words. I'm going to be listening to how your fluency sounds when you're reading, okay? When you are done, I would like you to share a brief reflection. I want you to tell me what has been good for you. What are some of the celebrations? What has been good for you this semester? Think about what you are grateful for this semester. Or did you feel you learned things? What did you learn? And it doesn't have to be anything, let's say, academic. It could be that you learned technology. It could be that you learned patience. It could be that you learned how to deal with difficult situations. And then I want you to tell me what you're looking forward to next semester. So how is it what you learned this semester going to help you for next semester? And that is how you will do your presentation. So now I'm going to give you an example on how would that look like. So I will introduce myself. Hi, my name is Irene Sanchez. I am going to be presenting my ELD 3 final exam where I had to answer the essential question. And my essential question is, are relationships important for teenagers to have a healthy life? To do this, I had 4 questions. My first question is here, and it talks about relationships. And I think relationships are important for teenagers because they help them. My second question was, what relationships are most important for teenagers, and how are they the most important? And I put that friends and family are very important for teenagers. Question number 3 was, which relationships are critical for teenagers to have and care for? And I think that relationships with people that are close to you are very important. My last question was, what are your important relationships that you foster and value? One of the important relationships that I value is the relationship with my husband, because he supports me when I'm sad, and he also shares with me when I'm happy. It's important because we go out and do things together and we help each other. Those were the questions that I had to think about and write in order to be able to answer my essential question. And the way I answered my essential question is, relationships are important for teenagers because teenage life can be difficult. Relationships with parents, students, or friends and teachers are very important for teens. However, relationships with people they are close to are the most important because it could be very lonely when you're a teenager. These relationships provide support and love for teens. And in my opinion, relationships with good friends can help teens with everyday life and school life. For example, when teens have issues with their parents, they can talk to their friends about it. In one of the videos we saw in class, we learned that having someone to talk to is very important. This shows that friendships can help teenagers through difficult times. Being a teenager is confusing but exciting. And for me, when I was a teenager, the most important relationships that I had were the relationships with my friends, especially the relationship with my boyfriend, who is now my husband. And he provided me with time and space to share my problems and a place to feel better. So thank you for listening. And my reflection part of this presentation, one of the things that were very difficult for me was changing the way I thought about teaching and learning. And one of the good things for me, one of the celebrations was all the new technology that I learned. I learned how to use Teams. I learned how to use Jamboard, Padlet. There was all these different programs that I learned to use. And I think that was fun for me, learning how to use all these different programs. And I'm looking forward to next year, next semester. I'm looking forward to our new distance hybrid learning, coming to school, having students on Tuesdays and having students on Wednesdays, and just the newness. Now that I know all these programs, I think it's going to be a lot more less stressful, and it will be a lot easier. Thank you very much.